Hello Horizon families, I've got another quick video about how to access your students' OneNote notebook. Now some classes are using OneNote notebooks and some classes are not using them. So if your class is not using OneNote notebooks, you do not need to follow these steps. However, if you are using OneNote, please follow these steps so that you can access your OneNote faster. First of all, you're going to go into your Microsoft Teams. There should be a link on your desktop to Teams, and then you are going to go into your team. I'm going to use a sample team here. For example, you're going to go into your team. Make sure when you go into your team, you're in the General tab. The General tab should be at the top. And then you're going to go up to the top bar here and click on Class Notebook. And it will load your class notebook within Teams. Now it's okay to use the class notebook within Teams, but you will not have all the features as when you open it up in the app. So I recommend opening it up in the app. To do that, you're going to go up here to Open in Browser at the top, click on it, and then you're going to click Open in App. When you click on that, it's going to open it up in the desktop app. Now this is actually the old version of OneNote. So if you are happy with this version of OneNote, you are welcome to stay here, but I recommend taking one more step and opening it up in the new app. The new app has more features and it works better with drawing and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to exit out of here. I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to click the Start button and click on this tile for OneNote for Windows 10, and it's going to open up OneNote for Windows 10. Then I'm going to go to the top and click on whatever is right here, whatever name of the notebook is, and I'm going to actually click on More Notebooks. And then this is how I'm going to open up the notebook that I just was in. It should be right here at the top because you just opened it in the other version. It should be right here at the top. Click Check and then click Open, and it will open up here in the new app. Now, while you're here, I want to give you a quick overview of the different sections that are in a class notebook. The first is the collaboration space. This space is where everyone in your class can write and draw and add their stuff. So if you have a project that you're working on where you guys need to work together, you may use this space, the collaboration space. The second section is the content library. This is where your teacher will put the different content needed for your class, but this is an area where you cannot edit or change this section. So if there's a worksheet or a set of instructions on here, you will not be able to type or draw over those worksheets in this section. You will need to go to your own section, which is the bottom section. This says AG3 because it's a sample, but there will be a section for you with your name. You're going to click into that section, and this is your own personal section. Only you and your teachers can see this section. So when you're in here, you might have a worksheet or other work, and you can draw and write and type and do different things within your section. So if you're in something and it's not letting you type or write, you're probably in the content library. You need to go out of the content library and go into your own personal section to type. So that is the basics for OneNote for Windows 10. Now here's the best part here. All those steps that I took to get you here this time, you never have to do that again. All you have to do next time you want to go into your OneNote is go and click on the OneNote for Windows 10, and it's going to take you back right to the page that you were working on before. And it's going to take you back to the notebook that you were working on before. Okay? So I didn't have to go through Teams again. I didn't have to take all those steps. I went right back into my notebook. What I recommend for students is to pin the OneNote app onto your taskbar so you have it right down here among your other tiles. So to do that, you're going to click Start. You're going to right-click on the OneNote tile, hover over More and click Pin to Taskbar. And then it will show up right here, and you can just click to open it right there. And then when you exit out, it is still there on the bottom. You can even move it around and decide where on that taskbar to put it. Okay, have fun opening up your notebook, and we'll see you guys soon.